Although the price of oil dropped to near $95 a barrel recently due to low demand and more supply, the price of this commodity may not be staying lower for long. Joining me to discuss this further is Ramal Aliyez, CEO of FX Financial Group. Hello, Ramal. Can you tell me, why do you think oil prices have dropped to near $95 a barrel?
If you look at all the developing countries, all the economies are in problem, or at least they are going to have problem, and all forecasts are bearish. Obviously, there is not as much demand, and there is not going to be as much as demand from now on, at least for a couple of quarters. And the demand in the United States and in, let's say, Europe is not as strong as it used to be for the reasons everyone knows. Plus, I think the supply is also is going up because, Iraqi oil is coming in and other players are starting to supply more oil. The United States is starting to have its more oil in the future. I think that's why the prices have fallen. But I also think if it wasn't summer right now, the prices would be much lower.
Apparently, the US may open up their oil reserves to keep the price of oil lower. Why do you think the price of oil could rise?
Because of tensions with Iran and all, there is obviously this belief that supply may go down, so the price of oil may go up for that. They say that the United States releases oil during critical times, not critical, but like times like there is an election ahead, and chances are really high that they will.
And what factors, in your view, cause oil price to rise, and why can't they be kept lower to cushion inflation, especially during the euro crisis?
First biggest issue is Iran war. If Iran war starts, I'm sure for at least a couple of months the price of oil will go up really a lot. But in the end, even if Iran war lasts longer than it's expected, at least in the end I believe that factor will lose its influence. I'm very sure that the price of oil will go higher and higher, or tension between Israel and Iran. Even though they have already put them on an embargo and they don't buy as much oil as they used to, but still the idea that the war may break up and other countries' supply may be disrupted will definitely rise the price up.
And what are your short, mid and long-term projections for the price of oil?
The medium term would be like 120, 115, something like that. But by medium term, I mean like 6 months or 1 year. And my long-term projection is, if we go 2 years or 5 years long-term, it will be much lower than what is trade, like $70, something like that. 70, 75, 65, something like that. Especially United States become less dependent on Iran oil because they are using this fracking technology and all. They are starting to use their own reserves and all. People will start to believe that, okay, even if there is a war between Iran and United States, we don't need the oil as much as we used to, so the supply will go up, at least the supply share will go down. That will be one thing. And my reason that I believe that in the long term the price of oil will go down, because I believe there is not as much demand as there used to be before. I believe the GDP of many countries will go down and down more, including China and India and European countries. I believe the United States will be in huge problem. The US dollar may go up, and because oil is priced in US dollar.
Thanks for joining me, Ramal. Well, that's all we've got time for right now. Stay tuned to Dukascopy TV for more updates and interviews from the TV team. For now, though, goodbye.